Morning friends. In previous lecture we have discussed about turbines and its classification. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about working of Pelton wheel or Pelton turbine. Pelton wheel is a tangential flow impulse turbine used for high heads and small quantity of water flow. The vertical height will be in between 100 meter to 1000 meter. The Pelton wheel consists of following parts. First one is nozzle and spear head. Second one is runner and its buckets. Third one is turbine casing. A nozzle is a passage of varying cross section attached to the penstock. Penstocks are large pipes which carry water from dam or reservoir to the turbine. Usually, nozzles are arranged around the runner wheel such that the water jet emerging from the nozzle is tangential to the circumference of the runner wheel. The flow of water through the nozzle is controlled by spear head, which is operated by means of a hand wheel. Second one is runner and its bucket. The runner is a circular wheel with a series of evenly spread buckets fixed around its periphery. The runner is coupled to a rotating shaft. The buckets of the runner are shaped like a bowl or double cup shaped bucket. The advantage of having double cup shaped bucket is that the jet of water getting split and leaves symmetrically on both sides of the bucket. This helps to eliminate the end thrust or axial thrust on the bearings of the output shaft. The third part is casing, that is turbine casing. This casing prevents the splash of water and also help to discharge the water into the tail race. The tail race is a path through which water is pumped out of the hydropower plant after power generation. Further, the water can be used for irrigation or water supply purpose. Now we will discuss or we'll know how the Pelton wheel works. It operates or in the operation water from the reservoir or the dam having the potential energy. Stored water will be having potential energy, flows through the penstock and enters the nozzle. As the water flows through the nozzle, the potential energy of water is completely converted into kinetic energy in the nozzle. The high velocity the high velocity jet of water coming from the nozzle impinge on the curved blades fixed around the runner wheel. The impulse force due to the high velocity of water sets the runner wheel to rotate or runner wheel into rotary motion. Hence, the shaft coupled to the runner wheel also rotates, thereby doing useful work. The potential energy of the water is completely converted into mechanical work. The potential energy of water is completely converted into mechanical work After performing work, the water freely discharges to the tail race.